Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Sophi B. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're enjoying your February. I hope you had a great love day. I hope you're enjoying Black History Month. I know we sure are. We had an amazing love day. We went out together as a family for date night. And we have been enjoying Black History Month. I've been teaching my boys about all the amazing Black history heroes by doing illustrations. And I have a really cool project for you guys. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to share it very, very soon in regards to Black History Month. And so today I'm going to show you one of my favorite go-to hairstyles, and that is the braid out. You can do it on loose natural hair. You can do it on various sizes of locks, thick locks, medium locks, small locks, micro locks, all of the locks. You can even do this style on braids. So let's begin. So I first start off by putting coconut oil on my scalp, and I use a generous amount. Then I'm going to go in and use my massage brush and massage my scalp. This massage brush is an absolute game changer. I love it. I use it on my scalp, on my children's scalp, and my husband's as well. Gotta make time to enjoy my breakfast smoothie, which contains dragon fruit, banana, pineapple, strawberry, and almond milk. No sugar was added. Then I'm gonna go in with my spritzer bottle that is full of water. You wanna make sure your hair is damp. The damper it is, the better your curls and crinkles will turn out. Next, I'm going to section my hair. I'm going to start with the front. So as I am braiding the front of my hair, I like to braid it in a downward manner, somewhat as a cornrow at the beginning and then a loose single braid at the end. This keeps the braid to stay in position while you are asleep if you're going to keep it overnight, and it just creates a cleaner, more elegant look. And we're simply going to repeat these steps over and over again until we are finished, and we're going to put a rubber band at the end of each braid. Using a three-way mirror for better accuracy, just so you can have neater parts and it be more uniform. This is what the back looks like. I absolutely love it. It looks so good. So I'm finally done, and this is what it looks like. So my favorite thing about this hairstyle is it is two styles in one. So you can leave it like this for a few days or a week, and then you can take it out and get your second style, which is your curls and your crinkles. If you want tighter curls and crinkles, leave this in longer. You can also use styling mousse to set the hair a little bit better. So you can also add adornments to your braids to spice it up, make it look a little bit more elegant. And you can find those at your local beauty supply store. They usually run about $1, $2 for a pack. And I'm going to share with you guys the results in a couple of days so you can see what the braid out looks like. I'll probably do a takedown and a reveal. So stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching today's video. Make sure to check out the other videos on my channel. I have a few other very interesting vlogs that I would like you to watch, as well as some of my shorts. And if you like what you see, definitely comment, like, and subscribe. All right, take care and enjoy the rest of your Black History Month. Bye.